welcome to another RDI episode. In today's video, we're going to talk about the main reasons for owning a vinyl cutter. Whether you want to start a side hustle, a t-shirt, or a decal business, or you just want to put your money to work, this video might be for you. So let's get started. Compared to other machines like a digital printer or an embroidery machine, a vinyl cutter could be very affordable. I just need to make a stop here and clarify something. I'm not saying a vinyl cutter is better than a digital printer. I'm just talking about the initial investment. Because you should know that in the long run, getting a digital printer is a lot cheaper and will make your life a lot easier. Plus, there's no limit as to what type of logos or designs you could make with it. But being realistic, not many people can invest that much money when just getting started, and that's why owning a vinyl cutter can be a great idea. Deciding what type of vinyl cutter to get can be a challenge. There are so many options and prices. Some vinyl cutters start at $200 and go up to a couple $1,000s. A question you should ask yourself is, what products are you planning on selling? If you just want to make t-shirts, a smaller vinyl cutter can work just fine. But if you want to make vinyl decals, you will probably need something bigger, like a 24-inch vinyl cutter. Also, make sure you do some research. What type of market is already available to you? Unless you want to mainly sell online, this is very important. Are you planning on being a B2C or a B2B type of business? Meaning, are you planning on selling directly to customers or directly to other business owners? The latter one can be the best option if available. We know and work with a lot of construction business owners, and that's why making decals is our best option. But if we only had access to schools and churches, maybe selling custom shirts would be a better idea. I'm not saying that B2B is better than B2C, but it's about using the resources available to you. In fact, when we started, that's exactly what we did. We used to have a small shop and we did really good by being a B2C. But the products that you can sell to other business owners is endless. Plus, they know that they have to invest in their business if they want to grow it. And that is the reason why we became a B2B. Now back to our vinyl cutters. There are so many options and prices. But just as we said earlier, if you're just planning on making smaller products, you can just get a small cutter, preferably something around 15 inches. But if you have a very limited budget, Cameo 4 can be a great option. Right now you can get this vinyl cutter for just around $200. And the best part is that it comes with a software to vector and to make your designs, and it is totally free. Plus you can use big rolls of vinyl and make big decals. If you decide to get this vinyl cutter, we strongly recommend that you invest in the tape application rollers. They make aligning your vinyl a lot easier when cutting big designs. Plus you can use them to apply your transfer on your vinyl decals. Now, if you want to do exactly what we do, you should definitely get a 24-inch vinyl cutter or bigger if possible. It doesn't have to be a graphic, as they can get a little expensive. Just find out what software you will need to vector your logos and make your designs for whatever vinyl cutter you decide to get. The great thing about CorelDRAW is that it works with all types of vinyl cutters, regardless of being a little bit expensive. And remember, if you are liking this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you for your support. Before we move on to the best reasons for owning a vinyl cutter, I want to mention something. Unlike in the food industry, that you only have a certain time to sell your products before they expire, when you start a t-shirt or a decal business, you don't really have to worry too much about this fact, as most vinyls will last several years before you can use them. In fact, we have used vinyls that we bought more than 3 years ago, and we were able to use them without any issues. And now let's talk about the main reasons why we love our vinyl cutters and why owning one can be a great idea. There are so many different products that you can make with these machines. More products means more ways to generate income. It doesn't matter what vinyl cutter you decide to get. You should be able to make the next products and a lot more, but based on our location and market, this is what works for us. We're going to start with our favorite product and the one that brings us more revenue than any other product. And of course, we are talking about car decals. I think you already knew that. Next product is our top seller and our second favorite to work with. We are talking about car magnets. Third products and another of our favorites are vinyl banners. This is the second on the list when it comes to generating revenue per item. That is, if you find the right customer. Next are our yard signs. This product sells a lot, especially at spring and summertime. So this is the perfect time to get ready and make sure that you get enough of these products. Of course, you can also make wall decals, door signs, and a lot more different products with Oracle 651. And this is our favorite type of vinyl when making vinyl signs. The following can be made using HTV or heat transfer vinyl. This is very different than Oracle 651. For this, we love using Scissor Easy Weed when making custom shirts, caps, aprons, basically any garment made of cotton, polyester, or any blend of those fabrics. Now you might be asking, what do we do when there's a product that cannot be made with a vinyl cutter? Well, I'm glad you asked. Outsourcing is the name of the game. These are all the different products that we outsource whenever we need to. Another of the reasons for owning a vinyl cutter is that you don't really need that much space as they are not that big. This makes it very easy in case you want to be able to start and run a business from home, and best of all, you can turn this into a very profitable business if you put in the work. If you want to learn more details about every product, make sure to check out our channel. Also, remember that you can get all of your products and equipment through our website, and that is www.rdidecals.com. Or you can also get them in the description of the video. We have several links to our affiliate store. These were the main reasons for owning a vinyl cutter. They can be very affordable, and there are so many different options. Second, they can be very versatile. You can make a lot of different products. And the third is that you can do this from home and you don't really need that much space. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. We also have memberships available if you want to be able to use our decal calculator, or if you want to watch behind the scenes and all that good stuff. Just go to the join button and you will get all different instructions. Make sure that you read every single membership as they offer different perks. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you guys until the next one.